This painting by Rafael Sanzio, one of the greatest artists of the Renaissance, was made in 1515, in the early 16th century. It represents a young banker from Rome, Bindo Altoviti, who was born in 1491. He was 24 when Raphael captured this image. Like this and many other paintings by Raphael, Leonardo, Michelangelo, some of those names that you have probably heard from the Ninja Turtles maybe, are representative of some of the main principles of the Renaissance. The first one, a return to the classics. Renaissance artists, thinkers, were looking for sources, were looking for precedents. They needed to nurture their new way of thinking, their defiance of religious, institutional authority with authorities from other cultures from the past. The model was Rome, and the model of Rome was Greece. This painting represents the simplicity, the linearity, the spontaneity of the character represented. It's not the typical portrait. It's a moment that signals movement, that signals some surprise, but at the same time, some arrogance from this young banker from Rome. Raphael knew how to capture the moment, knew how to apply sophisticated techniques in order to give to the world a new view of art and a new sense of proportion. Linearity, symmetry, simplicity, spontaneity, nothing too complicated. The Renaissance is about going back to the principles of the classic period, where the columns, the ornaments of Rome and Greece represented all those values that the Renaissance people were trying to renew, because they felt that going back to Rome and Greece, they could be reborn to a new kind of humanity. And also, they gave a central role to human love and to human experience. We need to be more concerned about this world, about our surroundings. That doesn't mean that they were not religious. Of course, they were still very religious, but they also had an eye for other perspectives. That's what we're going to focus on in the next chapter about some of the main figures of the Renaissance, particularly the Italian Renaissance.